For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The WHO's chief scientist, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, said herd immunity is still a long way ahead for COVID-19. In a live social media event organized by WHO, she said that 50 to 60% of the population will need to be immune to the novel coronavirus to protect the uninfected. Herd immunity is a point when enough people become resistant to a disease to stop its spread among a group of people. WHO chief scientist added that more waves of the infection would be required to get to a stage of natural immunity. She warned that the world needs to gear up to do everything possible to keep the novel coronavirus at bay while scientists work on vaccines.
For this concept of herd immunity, you need 50 to 60% of the population to have this immunity to be actually able to break those chains of transmission. That's much easier to do with a vaccine. We can achieve it faster and without people getting sick and dying. So it is much better to do it that way, to achieve herd immunity through natural infection. We would have several waves of the infection and unfortunately also the mortality that we see.
Dr. Soumya Swaminathan is a pediatrician from India and a globally recognized researcher on tuberculosis and HIV. She added that with time, people will start developing natural immunity against the virus.
Over a period of time, people will start developing natural immunity. We know now from the studies that have been done in many of the affected countries that usually between 5 to 10% of the population has developed antibodies. In some places, it's been higher than that, up to 20%. As there are waves of this infection going through countries, people are going to develop antibodies and those people will be hopefully immune for some time, and so they will also act as barriers and brakes to the spread of this infection.
The scientist said that it is important to be focused following right public health measures that are known to work while the world waits for a vaccine.
Even if the clinical trials are successful and we have a couple of vaccines by the end of this year, we still need the hundreds of billions of doses, which will take time. Most people who recover from COVID-19 develop neutralizing antibodies, which means a vaccine has a good chance of offering protective immunity.
She also said that the world should also entertain the possibility that we may have to live with the virus without the invention of a vaccine. According to Johns Hopkins University, the COVID-19 pandemic has so far infected more than 15.5 million people globally. The COVID-19 pandemic has claimed over 6.3 lakh lives across the world.